So my hair has already been shampooed and conditioned using Pattern's Hydration Shampoo and Medium Conditioner. Be sure to keep a spray bottle filled with water nearby. Water helps to distribute the product evenly, and it'll also help to keep you from overusing your product. Then I add a layer of protection using Pattern's Leave-In Conditioner. For the size of these subsections, I only needed between a dime and a nickel size amount of product. Now be sure that the hair is smooth and the product is distributed evenly prior to securing the hair on the roller. Starting from the end, wrap the hair around the rod and wind it up using a windmill motion. When you get to the root, to secure the rod in place, bend the tip of it down toward the opposite direction of which it was rolled. That just means if you rolled it toward the right, bend it toward the left. Repeat until the entire back section is complete. So I have a little secret. When it comes to the front of my hair, I prefer to flat twist it from the crown to the hairline, and then I install rods the rest of the way. That cuts down on a ton of time and it minimizes the amount of rods that I have to use. It also reduces your drying time. You can thank me later. To make sure my hair was completely dry, I sat under my hooded dryer and then I allowed my hair to air dry overnight. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. So you want to remove your rods by winding them in the opposite direction in which you installed them. Careful not to move too fast because you don't want to create any unnecessary frizz. Once they're removed, add a few drops of Pattern's Jojoba or Argan Oil Serum into your hands and smooth it over your hair for additional nourishment and shine. Carefully separate your curls until you reach your hair's desired fullness. For even more volume, take a pick and lift those roots. And voila, you, my dear, are all set.